Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. I hope you all are enjoying your fun day Sunday, and I'm hoping you're relaxing because the Monday grind is almost here. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a nice watch face to check out by A&L Freedom. This guy definitely gets down on some watch faces. Make sure you check out his lineup in the Gear Manager store. Let's go ahead, let's get this review started. Now, the name of the watch face is called AL01 Colors. It's a premium watch face, premium analog watch face at that. It has a very nice look. Even in the always on mode, it looks just as good. You're going to get your analog look. But when the watch face is on, I like the way the color pops to this watch face. You get a few dials and all. You get one down at the bottom that's going to be for your battery percentage. The other dial is going to be for the days of the week and the month. So I do like the indexes that's going around the bezel of the watch and how it's lit up in red. It looks really nice. And the color does pop. Now you can customize the color by simply double tapping and just cycle through all 12 watch faces that this developer is giving to you. It's affordable in the Gear Manager store. I'm thinking, yeah, it's worth the download. Give it a shot. Take a look for yourself. See if you like it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. This one is nice. It's called AL04 Colors Premium Analog. Very nice looking watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get an analog watch face look. So you're going to be able to see your time at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, you pretty much get the same type of look in a sense. With the dials, you're going to get the month, you're going to get the days of the week, you're also going to get your battery percentage. And the indexes, again, I like the way that looks. But the color on the inside looks a lot different. And you can customize these colors as well with a double tap. Cycle through the 12 different colors that this watch face has to offer, and you're golden. What do you think, guys? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, I'm hoping you're enjoying the rest of your Sunday. Listen, I'm relaxing. I had to get this video out the way. We got a teen's graduation going on here, so we're going to oversee that for a moment, and we're going to get back to relaxation for the Monday grind. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Have fun with whatever you're doing, and I will see you guys at the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not.